Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Welcome you to all in today's video session. Today we are going to learn new topic in English grammar. The topic is proverbs. What are proverbs? Proverbs are clever saying with morals that we use in our daily speech. That means proverb, proverbs has some meanings that we use in our daily speech which shows some morals to us. Let's see some proverbs here. The first one is two wrongs don't make a right. That means it is never right to wrong someone if they have wronged you first. A friend in need is a friend indeed. If someone helps you when you have problems or you are in a trouble, that person is a true friend. That means uh, if you have any problems and if one of your uh, friend helps you, that is your true friend. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. That means everyone has their own ideas of what is beautiful. So every person have their own ideas, their own thinking. So this proverb we can use that beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Practice makes perfect. This is the common proverb. You usually know it. That means if you want to be perfect at something, you need to practice every day and you have to practice more and more to be perfect in something. Haste makes waste. When you try to work too quickly, you usually makes mistakes. That means if you are doing something in a hurry or doing some work very quickly, it might be possible that you can make mistakes. That means haste makes waste. Better late than never. That means it's better if you do something later that then not do it at all. That means if you want to do something, that is better to do on later part. Actions speak louder than words. This is the most used or most commonly English proverbs. That means what you do matters, not what you say. That means if you are doing something, you don't need to say about this because your actions speak than your words. Easy come, easy go. That means when something, especially money, is easily got and then soon spent or lost. That means here is the meaning that money is a something that we if we got them easily, that it might be possible that we spent or lost them soon. A picture speaks thousand words. That means picture conveys its meaning or essence more effectively than a description does. That means if you draw a picture, that picture speaks thousands of words, or your draw picture say or convey its meaning by its own. There is no need of words to explain your picture. So we can say that a picture speaks a thousand words. If you snooze, you lose. That means you have to act fast to get what you want. Lie down with dogs, wake up with fleas. That means if you associate with bad or dishonest people, bad things will happen to you. Next is no pain, no gain. That means if you don't work hard, you will never achieve your goals. So that means if you want to gain something, you have to face or you have to work hard. What's done is done. You cannot change what has already happened. So we use the proverb as what's done is done. That means a thing or anything happen, we cannot change it. Money is the root of all evil. That means money is the cause of all problems. Mind your own business. That means do not interfere with other people's lives and affairs. That means if somebody is interfering in our work or lives, we usually say mind your own business. So students, I hope you all understood what are the proverbs. It's a clever saying with morals that we use in our day to day life. If you have any question, you can ask me. Till then, take care and thank you. Jazakallah.